Troy University is celebrating homecoming all week by hosting events to get Trojans in the homecoming spirit. While the week may be filled with lighthearted events, there is one event in particular that can truly make a difference. The Student Government Association and the Homecoming Committee has joined forces with the American Red Cross to host a blood drive. The SGA and Homecoming Committee thinks the blood drive is an important event to keep in the Homecoming Week festivities because the cause could help a lot of people. This year, the goal is to collect 250 pints of blood.
We just feel like hosting a blood drive every year is super important, to be able to help those that do need blood. It is a really important thing to us, and so if you're able, we highly encourage you to do that so that you're able to help those in need.
Abby Haygood, a Troy University student that has donated blood at the drive for the past 2 years, explains why she makes the choice to donate blood.
I feel like really the spirit of homecoming is being able to give back, and so just having the opportunity to come in to the Trojan Center ballrooms and be able to give back, I think just exemplifies the Trojan spirit.
And for some people, it may be hard to make the choice to donate blood because of fear and pain. But Haygood has one tip that she thinks is important to keeping calm for people who want to donate.
I would always say just come with a friend. I was someone, especially coming out of high school, that if you would have told me now that I had given blood, now this is my 5th time, I would have thought you were crazy, but it really isn't that bad. So have a support system, come with a friend and just try it out because you never know.
The blood drive will conclude on Thursday, October 13th at 4 p.m. Mackenzie Foster, Troy, TrojanVision News.